Hey guys, welcome back. It's been a while. Today we got a package in the mail from TripleALiner, and this is the same thing we liked so much for Matthew's pickup truck that we asked them if they could send one for my pickup truck there, the mat cover in the bottom, because there's nothing like trying to reach for something and protecting your floor. So we just got that. Last time we had to, when we did mats on his Canyon, we actually had to let it sit for a couple hours to take shape because it comes folded. I didn't show you guys the folded part last time, so I'm gonna show you this. I'll put a link in the description below there where you can get these. You can get these on Amazon. You can also get these on their websites. So I'll put the link in there. Packaged in a box and then wrapped in the plastic. I like the look of the material on the sheet. Come on, get out of there. We'll eventually get it out. Alright, there we go. This out of the way. So it's basically unfold. I don't know which side goes for what. I would believe this is the back side and this is the front side. Slap that in like this. Climb in there. Supposed to fit perfect. This thing out of the way. Go. Fits so tight that everything's perfectly fit, but there we go. Yeah, so basically if it ain't sunny out or you don't let it sit, it's so snug in there. Let me show you guys around, like the way it fits in there. I'll get in the box. That it literally fits for every corner. Like this one here is very small and there's a pocket. And as you see on this side, it's different. It fits for the toe hooks. Fits everywhere. Like it's all you need now is just a little bit of warm weather and it will sit in place. So like I said, yeah, so I'll put a description and link below. This fit for the Sierra and the Chevy Silverados short box. This is the one I got here, so when you link it. So thanks for watching, guys. It's a simple video. Appreciate you guys sticking around watching this, so we'll catch you on the next one. And thanks again to TripleALiner for doing a collab on this. So we'll catch you on the next one. Bye for now. Be safe out there.